Hello guys, welcome back to Code and Test Azure Fundamentals series. This is the 14th video in this series. So if you have not watched the previous video, please watch for the continuity. I have put it in the playlist. So welcome to Azure certification. So this is the overall roadmap of our Azure certification and different certifications. So I'll be giving times for each and every certification one by one. So please stay tuned to my channel. So I'll be uploading videos in coming days as well. So moving to the 164th question. So this is a continuation of the previous video. And the question requires that you to evaluate the underlying test to determine if it is correct. So you need to just ensure that the statement given over there is correct or not. The Azure standard support plan is the lowest cost option to receive 24/7 access to support engineer by phone. So it's not standard support plan, it's a basic support plan. So the basic support plan is free, so it is therefore the cheapest. Okay, so moving to the 165th question. So all Azure services that are in public preview are provided without any documentation. So the answer over here is it's not provided without any documentation. It's excluded from the service line agreements. Okay, so preview features are made available to you on the condition that you accept additional terms which supplement the regular Azure terms. The supplemental term states that a preview are provided as is with all faults as available and are excluded from the service level agreement and the limited warranty. So here the answer over here is service line agreements. So moving to the 166th question, what is guaranteed in an Azure service line agreement? So the answer over here is uptime. So if you are using Azure and you can ensure that 99.99 percentage of the system will be up and running. So there will not be any downtime if you are using Azure. So that's the guarantee given by Azure. Okay. So the answer over here is uptime. Okay. So moving to the 167th question, an Azure service is available to all Azure customers when it is in public preview. So the answer is correct. So there is no need of any change required over here. The public preview means that service is in public beta and can be tried out by anyone with the Azure subscription. That means that public preview. So the answer over here is public review. Moving to the 168th question. So your company plans to purchase an Azure subscription. Okay, if the company support policy states that the Azure environment must provide an option to access support engineers by phone or email. You need to recommend which support plan meet the support policy requirement. So here you are recommending basic support plan. So basic support plan is the lowest level plan. So here the requirement is to access support engineers by phone or email. So it's not possible with the basic support plan. So the answer over here is B. It's no. So okay, the basic support plan does not have the technical support of engineers. Access to support engineers via email or phone is available in the following support plans, that is premier, professional, direct and standard. So make sure you understand this different support level plans so that this similar kind of questions can be answered and you can score the marks over here. So 169th question. This question, okay, you know this kind of questions. Their company plans to purchase an Azure subscription. Okay, the company supports policy states that the Azure environment must provide an option to access support engineers by phone or email. Similar questions which you got previously. So it's kind of a continuous question. So the answer solution over here is you are supporting recommending a standard support plan. So standard support plan is more than the basic plan. So it have that feature of meeting so whatever the requirement given over here. So you would recommend a support plan to meet the support policy requirement. So by phone or email. So with the standard support plan, it can be achievable. So the answer is A. No changes required or it's meeting the goal. It's true. It's true. Moving to the 177. This question is part of series. You know this kind of questions. Your company plans to purchase an Azure subscription. The company support policy state that Azure environment must be provided an option to access support engineers by phone or email. So there is no change in the question. The only thing is like the solution which you are giving. So you need to find out the right thing. The hierarchy goes, how the hierarchy goes, this basic, standard, professional, premium. So basic don't have much features only, and only the higher the standard, professional, premium and have the benefits of having the what do you call that, support engineer access. Okay, so you need to recommend which support plan meet the support policy requirement. So here recommend a premium support plan. Premium support plan also it's efficient, so that you can when you reach out to support team. So the answer over here is A. Okay, so I hope with by studying the explanation, the hierarchy of this access you have, you can answer 3 or 4 questions. Okay, the next question is the same one, has a similar type of question. This company currently has a basic support plan. Okay, then your company plans to request an architectural review of an Azure environment from Microsoft. You need to recommend a new support plan for the company. That solution must minimize cost. Okay, which support plan should be used? It's a Premier. The Premier support plans provides customer-specific architectural support such as design review, performance tuning, configuration, and implementation assistance delivered by Microsoft Azure Technical Associates. So moving to the 172nd question. It's a true or false question. So moving to the question. Most Azure services are introduced in private preview before being introduced in public preview. The answer over here is yes. Azure service in public preview can be managed only by using the Azure CLI. It's no, because Azure service in public preview can be managed using the regular management tools like Azure Portal, Azure CLI, and PowerShell. So it's not only. So answer is no. The cost of Azure service in private preview decreases when the service becomes generally available. So the answer is no. The services in private or public preview are usually offered by the reduced cost. However, the cost increase not decrease when the service are released to general availability. So moving to the 173rd question, what is required to use Azure Cost Management? The answer and over here is like enterprise agreement. Okay, EA Azure customers with an Azure enterprise agreement. Or this are required. Okay, read out the explanation for the better understanding. So the answer over here is enterprise agreement to use the Azure Cost Management. Okay, so moving to the 174th question. The question requires that the evaluate the underlying test. You know this kind of questions will be coming. So here, review the underlying test and make sure the correct. Okay, so what is the question over here? If the statement is correct, select the answer from the okay, fine. In Azure trial account explains last week, okay, you are not unable to create additional Azure Active Directory. So the question over here is your Azure trial account expired last week. You are now unable to. What is the issue over here? So the answer over here is start an existing Azure virtual machine. So once that subscription period is over, you are not able to start an existing virtual machine. So that is the answer over here. So it's when you stop a subscription, it stopped deallocation. VMA is offline and not mounted on the Azure host service. So I hope you understood what I'm conveying over here. We have covered the 174th question and moving to the 175th question. Your company plans to purchase an Azure subscription. The company's support policy states that the Azure environment must provide an option to access support engine by phone or email. It's the same question which you have seen before. Here the solution you are giving is recommend a professional direct support plan. So I said right, the basic support is the basic one, and is the first level of support required, and all other hierarchy like a base developer, premium, standard, professional, direct, everything have this features of reaching to the support engine by phone or email. So it depends on this hierarchy. So the answer over here is yes, you can reach out to the support engineer. So I have reached to the end of this session and have covered 175 questions till now. I have 10 more questions with me. So once we please subscribe my channel so that I will be posting few more videos related to Azure and upcoming certifications like Azure Solution Architect and the AWS Solution Architect. I will be posting questions like this. So I don't want you to learn n number of materials to clear the exams. You have the basic understanding of how the cloud computing works and how the basic terms of different cloud architecture. So this dumps you can blindly trust this dumps from this 185 questions whichever I provide. You will be getting almost some 45 questions from this list and you can clear the exams for sure. So please subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. So I'll be posting soon. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye.